Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram messages not showing problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section, and now go to the settings and search on Instagram. Okay, next go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it, and if it didn't work, go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, you can maybe try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, databases, settings, accounts, etc. So be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.